So welcome back to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we're talking about C++ operators. So operators in C++ are those mathematical symbols that we use to perform calculations, mathematical expressions, and everything that involves calculations and assignment. Okay, so we have the first type of operators, which is called assignment operators, and we have single equal signs, plus equal, minus equal, and star equal. So if we have the x equal 23, it means we assign whatever is at the right to whatever is at the left. So this is what I mean, that if we had our value of x, let me increase some size, that if we had our value of x as 23, then what we do is simply get this 23 and we assign it to x. So that's what I'm meaning, that we assign everything at the right to what is at the left. Okay, now you understand that. So our x becomes 23 in case that x is 23, not 23 equal to x. Okay, the next one is plus or equal to, plus or equal to. So this simply means that get whatever is at the right, increase it by the given value. Okay, so if we wanted to increase our x, the value of x by 1, then we would simply say x plus equals 1, like this. So this is what it does, that we get the value of x. Let me do it from here, or explanation. So this is what it does, it is x equals x plus 1, 1. So this is equivalent to this here, except that here we are writing it in more advanced form, and this kind of sluggish for beginners, novice programmers, but at this level at least you have some content. We can all go with this. Okay, so that's for x plus or equal to 1. Then the next one is minus. Let me copy this one and paste it. So I change this to minus. So here the answer would be 24. Okay, because we are getting 23, increase it by 1 and you get 24. So here a bright student should have given me the answer, and maybe in the comment section you can pause and comment before I write in the answer. But then the answer here becomes 22, because we are getting the value of x equals to x minus 1. So it means the new value of x will be get the previous value of x, reduce it by 1 and return the answer. Okay, so this is what this one does. Then we have the next one, which is x star. Let me paste this also. Come on. Sorry. So we are getting star x star equals 1. So this is the same as get the value of x, multiply it by 1. So this one will give you the answer as 24 still, because 23. Okay, so this implies that the new value of x will be the old value of x times 1. So this is what this one means. So in the coming examples, guys, I expect you to use this kind of programming, because we are big boys now, you can really understand. So we have another one called plus plus and then minus minus. So let's first take away this. Okay, we have the plus plus if we write x plus plus like this, then this one means increase x by 1. Okay, this. Then the minus minus means decrease x by 1. So here you would expect the answer to be 22, and then here 24, and then here to be 22, but that's not the case. Now we have what we call a post increment and pre-increment. So these two are called increment and decrement operators. So this is increment and this is decrement operator, this one here. So in here we have what we call post increment and pre-increment. So we have pre and post. So in pre-increment, it means that increase the value of x but print the initial value. It means we increase this one and we store the new value of x as 24, but we print the actual value, which is 23, before increasing. Then in this, sorry, let me do a post decrement, is done like this. So this is increment as well. So increment x by 1, so it means we increase the value of x by 1, it becomes 24. Then we print the final answer, which is 24. But here, if we print, we get 23. So let's get back into C++ and demonstrate that. We're gonna define our variable int x equals 23, and here cout. So this is pre-increment. Then here we are printing our x. So we are printing x plus plus. Then copy this and do it here. This is post increment, and then this side we are doing plus plus x. So if you output the answer here, we didn't turn it. So if we output the answer here now, okay, to get a better understanding of this, let me get this as y, because if we use x, it gets different answer like that. So like this here. Okay, so now you can see that the first value is 23. Even though we have incremented by 1, it remains 23. So that is a pre-increment. Then post increment, we increase it by 1, then instantly we display it. So continue more with increment in the future, as you'll be seeing, I'll be explaining more. So thank you for being in. Please subscribe, like and comment, as well share with your friends, and don't forget to click that notification so that whenever I load a video, you are updated automatically. Thank you.